Hello, good day. Well, for today I want to show you something about the properties of the logarithms. I'm gonna show you the basic three properties. You can find more, but I think with these properties you can solve the most quantity of the problems than you can find it in the school or in the books. So, for example, here the situation is, for example, the property when we have a multiplication. Okay, so here, for example, when you multiply a times b, the logarithm of a times b is going to be an addition. Okay, so always when you have a multiplication, we can transform like the addition of logarithm of a plus logarithm of b. The second property, well, here for example, is going to be a little obvious because it's a divided by b. The logarithm of a division is a subtraction. Okay, it's the opposite. If we have a multiplication, we have an addition. If we have a division, we have a subtraction. So here, the logarithm of a minus the logarithm of b. Okay, and the next one is going to be, for example, when we have an exponent in the logarithm. For example, logarithm of a with exponent b. So here, the only thing that we need to do is we're going to move this exponent as a coefficient. So now we're going to multiply b times the logarithm of a. Okay, so the only thing that you need to do is, well, move here in front. And how can we apply this situation? Well, let's gonna solve a couple of exercises. Here, for example, let's gonna solve the first one. Okay, so for example, here we have the logarithm base of 3, and well, the variable is a is gonna be equals to, and we have another logarithm base of 3 is b equals 3. Okay, and we need to find this. We need to find this situation like a logarithm base of 3, and we have a squared times b. So the only situation that we need to do, well, is first we need to apply the properties of the logarithms here. For example, I'm gonna expand this. So logarithm base of 3 a squared times b. Remember what happened when it's a multiplication? We're going to transform in an addition. So it's going to be logarithm base of 3 a squared plus logarithm base of 3 of b. Okay, and here we have another situation. We can apply another property. Here, for example, we have the square. Okay, so a the square. So remember, when we have an exponent, this one is going to become a coefficient. So we're going to put here 2 times logarithm base of 3 a plus logarithm base of 3 b. So for this, the only thing that we need to do is apply this. Okay, apply the values. For example, here we have the logarithm base of 3 is equals to. So for example, here is going to be 2 times logarithm base of 3 of a is going to be 2. Okay, and here also we apply the substitution. So it's going to be logarithm base of 3 of b is going to be 3. So plus 3. And we can solve this. Is 2 times 2, that's going to be 4, plus 3, so that's going to be 7, and that's the answer. Okay, let's going to solve another one. Okay, so here the situation is this one. Now we have the logarithm base of 2 of x equals 4, and the logarithm base of 2 of y equals minus 2, okay? And we need to find, or we need to solve this logarithm. So the same situation, we are gonna have logarithm base of 2. Remember, we have a division. So let's gonna rewrite only alt. So if we apply this property, remember is if we have a division, is a subtraction. So logarithm base of 2 x squared minus logarithm base of 2 of y. And now, one situation here. We have this logarithm base of 2 x squared. So we have an exponent. The exponent is going to be a coefficient. So it's going to be 2 times logarithm base of 2 of x minus logarithm base of 2 of y. And here is simple. We can check what is the value about logarithm of x? So it's going to be 4. So it's going to be 2 times logarithm. Oh, sorry. Now we don't need to put this. Okay, give me a moment. Okay. Okay, technical problems. Now, we were saying like a logarithm base of 2 of x is going to be 4. So here's, we make the substitution. I remember this one is a multiplication minus, and logarithm of y is going to be minus 2. Okay, so this one, we can only make the substitution here. And we can have this 2 times 4, so that's going to be 8. And minus times minus 2, remember? Properties of the symbols. When we have a multiplication with the same symbol, it's going to be positive. So minus times minus is going to be plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is going to be 10. Okay, so that's the result. So, well, I hope that you can understand this, and if you have any doubt or any suggestion about the new topics or new exercise, you can put that on the comments. Okay, I hope that you listen any song. So, see you for the next time. Bye bye.